What's up, everyone? All right, well, today is the last day for a little while in my TD Ameritrade Small Account Side Hustle Challenge. I'm down 500 bucks, and the challenge that I'm having right now with this challenge is that I am not willing to focus on it 100% because I want to trade in my main account, which is where I make money. TD Ameritrade, the account's small, and so I don't, even on a great day, I might only make $200 or $300, where on an equally great day in my big account, I'd be looking at, well, a great day in my big account is 15 to 20,000 or up. So unfortunately, I just can't focus on it right now. There may be a time later in the year, in the summer or next year, where I can pick it back up and work on it. But right now, I need to focus on my big account. So today I took one trade. Meanwhile, I was focusing on trades in my big account. I didn't manage it well. I lost $500, and it kind of feels a little discouraging, and like I'm just trying to do too many things at once right now. So I'm gonna put it on the back burner for a little bit. The account balance will stay as it is right now. And I'll come back to it when it's a better time for me, when I don't mind sacrificing some profits in my main account. But right now, especially being early in the year, I feel like I need to be really working harder in my big account. So that's gonna be my focus right now. Questions, comments on this recap, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and that'll be in my main account. All right, see you guys then. All right, everyone, so I want to do my TD Small Account Side Hustle Challenge recap. It's a mouthful. And go over my trades from today. So today is another red day in the Small Account Challenge. I'm down 500 bucks. And at this point, I'm kind of thinking that this is going to be my last day in the small account, just because it's not something I'm able to focus on, and because I'm not able to focus on it, I'm just not able to trade it as well as if it were my primary focus. The reason I'm not going to make it my primary focus is because at best I would be only making maybe $200 to $250 a day, and in my main account I average closer to $1,700 a day. So it's just, I can't sacrifice, I don't want to sacrifice the profits that I will make in my main account by focusing on this small account challenge. But in these days that I've done this account, this side hustle challenge, I have proven that you can certainly grow the account. There's two ways you can do it. Of course, the one way of trading with half of the available balance each day, because it's cash only, or trading the full amount every other day. One of the challenges with cash-only accounts is that you feel like you have to be really picky about what you're willing to trade, because once you use that buying power, you can't use it again. You can see right here, I only have, $530 of buying power left. So I'm not going to be able to trade in it again until Tuesday at best, and this is Friday right now. I probably, by the way, won't get this uploaded until Monday because it's Friday at 4:30. But in any case, let's look at TNXP. So TNXP is the one that I traded, one entry, one exit. And it was the wrong move today. Pre-market, this was the price action, as you can see right here. And on the 1 minute chart, we had a little pullback that occurred just after the open as it started to surge up. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna just take a position on this. I'm gonna jump in. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. I'm looking for the break over 30, and I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm gonna hold it, and while I'm holding that, I'm gonna go focus on trading in my regular account. So in my regular account, in the first 5 minutes, I made about $3,000 trading BLPH. BLPH, which was definitely the right move. Now, I could have traded this in my small account with 100 shares, and instead of making 3,000 in my big account, I would have made about 300 in my small account. But again, big account keeps taking priority when it comes to what I'm going to trade each day. So while I was doing that, TNXP was coming back down. I wasn't focusing on it at all. I was focusing on my main account, and then I was like, okay, well, TNXP is pulling back. I'll just give it a second. Kept trading in my main account, the SPY and VIX and stuff like that, and then finally stopped out down here to $1.10. So it did end up coming back up later in the day, but it was the right move to stop out. NBY is a stock just yesterday at a similar price range that ended up making a pretty big move. And that was what I thought. That's why I thought TNXP might be a good one today. I was like, we just had a low price stock made a big move on the coronavirus catalyst. This one might be worth it, but no, that was incorrect. So taking the loss there drops the account back down to 3,800. And again, I just don't have the energy right now to focus on this or the willingness to sacrifice the gains in my main account. So I'll just leave this account where it is now. I don't need the money, so I'll just leave it where it is. It'll earn maybe a little interest or something, and maybe there'll be a point where I can come back to it and trade in it more actively, or maybe as a summer project when the markets are slow as it is. That would be an okay time, but right now it isn't something I can really focus on. So that is a problem unique to me. If you're trading in a small account because it's the only account you have, then you trade in it every day. You try to make your 100 a day, 200 a day, whatever it is, and you're obviously happy with that. So can you day trade in TD Ameritrade? Yes. Can you trade with margin account? Yes. Can you trade with a cash account? Yes. You can do both with small accounts, and you can grow the account. So we'll see what's in store for this account in the future, but for right now, I'm going to close this, and that'll be the last time I open it for, well, probably be quite a while here. Whoops, what did I click? Yes, I really want to log on. All right, that's it for me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all soon, and make sure you tune into my main account recaps, which will be hopefully a little bit more exciting. All right, see you guys there. Hey, did you know that I go live every single morning between 9 and 9:15 to stream my pre-market watch list? Subscribe to the channel, press the bell for the alert, and you'll get the notification.